Alright, so have you ever sat down and thought about it like microwaves? I'm sitting here warming my food up with something that can potentially cause cancer. Literally something that can expel microwaves, radiation, right? You're sitting there thinking about it. My God, this is dangerous. Why do we have it? Like, you just ask yourself that. Trust me, microwaves, you will be fine. Now, you're thinking of ionizing radiation. Gamma, beta, alpha rays, those are from nuclear shit, like Chernobyl. I don't know, what was it? Like, very surprisingly, bismuth lets out radiation. There's also plutonium, uranium, that sort of stuff. Now this, it's pretty much a magnetic field that heats up your food. That's all. So even if you think it's gonna kill you, it's not. It's not slowly killing you.